Menopause is a natural biological process that signifies the end of a woman's reproductive years, typically occurring in her late 40s to early 50s. During this transition, the body undergoes significant hormonal changes, particularly a decline in estrogen production. This drop in estrogen can lead to various physical and emotional challenges, many of which directly impact sexual health. Vaginal dryness, for instance, becomes a common concern due to reduced moisture production, often causing discomfort or pain during intercourse. Additionally, many women experience a decrease in libido, which can be attributed to hormonal fluctuations, stress, or other menopausal symptoms like hot flashes and sleep disturbances. Understanding these changes is the first step toward managing them effectively. Fortunately, there are evidence-based approaches to address these challenges. Hormone replacement therapy (HRT) can help replenish estrogen levels, alleviating many symptoms, including vaginal dryness and low libido. For those who prefer non-hormonal options, over-the-counter lubricants and moisturizers can provide immediate relief during sexual activity. Open communication with healthcare providers is also vital. They can offer personalized recommendations and monitor any potential side effects of treatments. Regular check-ups ensure that any underlying issues are addressed promptly. By embracing these solutions, women can navigate this phase with greater comfort and confidence, maintaining or even enhancing their sexual satisfaction and overall well-being. Education and proactive management empower women to take control of their health during this transformative stage of life. Emotional well-being and intimacy are deeply intertwined with sexual happiness during menopause. The physical changes women experience often come with emotional challenges, such as feelings of insecurity or a shifted sense of femininity. Body image concerns may arise due to weight fluctuations or skin changes, which can affect self-confidence in intimate settings. Relationship dynamics may also shift as partners adjust to these changes, sometimes leading to misunderstandings or reduced intimacy. Stress, whether from work, family, or the menopause itself, can further dampen sexual desire. Addressing these psychological factors is just as important as managing physical symptoms. Counseling or therapy can provide a safe space to explore these emotions and develop coping strategies. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises, help reduce stress and improve emotional resilience. Open, honest dialogue with partners fosters mutual understanding and strengthens emotional bonds. Sharing concerns and desires can reignite intimacy and create a supportive environment. Self-care routines, like pampering sessions or engaging in hobbies, also play a role in boosting self-esteem and overall happiness. Educational resources, such as books or support groups, offer valuable insights and normalize these experiences. By prioritizing emotional health, women can cultivate a positive mindset, enhancing their ability to enjoy fulfilling and intimate relationships during menopause and beyond. Lifestyle choices and holistic approaches can make a profound difference in sexual happiness for menopausal women. A balanced diet rich in phytoestrogens found in foods like soy, flax seeds, and fruits can help naturally balance hormones. Regular physical activity not only improves cardiovascular health, but also boosts mood and energy levels, which are essential for maintaining libido. Pelvic floor exercises, such as Kegels, strengthen vaginal muscles, enhancing sexual function and preventing issues like urinary incontinence. Hydration and avoiding irritants like caffeine and alcohol can also improve vaginal health. Beyond conventional methods, evidence-based holistic strategies offer additional support. Herbal supplements, such as black cohosh or red clover, may alleviate some menopausal symptoms, though consulting a healthcare provider before use is advisable. Acupuncture has shown promise in reducing hot flashes and improving overall well-being. Specialized sexual wellness products, like vibrators designed for menopausal women, can enhance pleasure and counteract decreased sensitivity. Embracing these changes with confidence is key. Knowledge about available options empowers women to make informed decisions. By integrating these proactive measures into daily life, women can navigate menopause with vitality, ensuring a satisfying and joyful intimate life. The combination of lifestyle adjustments and holistic care creates a foundation for long-term sexual health and happiness. Menopause is not just a physical transition, but an emotional and psychological journey that deeply impacts a woman's sense of self and her relationships. During this phase, many women grapple with body image concerns as their bodies change, which can affect confidence and desire. It's common to feel uncertain or less attractive, but acknowledging these feelings is the first step toward addressing them. Open, honest conversations with partners about these insecurities can strengthen emotional bonds and foster mutual understanding. Relationship dynamics may shift during menopause, and stress or unresolved conflicts can further complicate intimacy. Prioritizing emotional connection through shared activities, date nights, or simply spending quality time together can reignite closeness and desire. Stress management is another critical factor, as heightened stress levels can dampen libido and overall well-being. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises, can help women stay grounded and reduce anxiety. Therapy, whether individual or couples counseling, provides a safe space to explore emotions and develop coping strategies. Self-care routines, whether it's journaling, taking relaxing baths, or engaging in hobbies, can also nurture emotional health. Educational resources, such as books or support groups, offer valuable insights and remind women they're not alone. By addressing these emotional and psychological aspects, women can cultivate a positive mindset and enjoy deeper, more fulfilling intimacy during menopause. Menopause is a natural phase of life, but the physical and emotional changes it brings can impact sexual well-being. Fortunately, lifestyle adjustments and holistic approaches can play a significant role in maintaining, or even enhancing, intimacy during this time. A balanced diet rich in phytoestrogens, found in foods like soy, flax seeds, and legumes, can help balance hormone levels naturally. Omega-3 fatty acids from fish or walnuts support heart health and circulation, which is vital for sexual function. Staying hydrated is also key, as it helps combat vaginal dryness and maintains overall vitality. Regular physical activity such as yoga, swimming, or brisk walking boosts endorphins, improves mood, and enhances blood flow to intimate areas. Pelvic floor exercises, like Kegels, strengthen muscles that support bladder control and sexual function, potentially increasing sensation and pleasure. Mindfulness practices, including meditation or deep breathing exercises, can reduce stress and improve body awareness, fostering a deeper connection with oneself and one's partner. For those open to complementary therapies, herbal supplements like black cohosh or red clover may alleviate symptoms, though consulting a healthcare provider is essential. Acupuncture has shown promise in balancing hormones and reducing hot flashes, while specialized sexual wellness products, such as moisturizers or vibrators, can address dryness and reignite desire. By embracing these proactive measures with confidence, women can navigate menopause with grace and continue to enjoy a fulfilling and joyful intimate life.